Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Paula Trapani. I am the Lawrence Road librarian. You may recognize my name or my Bitmoji from some of those videos that I shared back during the pandemic when we were all working from home. One of the things I take very seriously is trying to help make teachers' lives a little bit easier, especially when it comes to new technology. So during the pandemic, there was a boatload of it. This year, let's not call it a boatload. Let's just say one new application. We have made the switch from Google Classroom to Schoology. But before you start panicking, it is actually quite similar and enhanced. It has a lot of really great features, which we will get to in future videos. But for today, we're just going to sort of get the basics, where you find the link to Schoology, how to log in, what it looks like once you get there, and how to get a few basic things set up. So since I work at Lawrence Road, the homepage that comes up for me is obviously my school's homepage. But please know that every school in the district is going to have the Schoology link posted somewhere on their homepage. Here's where you'll find it on ours. I put it in a few places, especially for the beginning. I wanted there to be at least one that was big and front and center. So if you scroll down a little bit, if you're on a mobile device, it's also going to appear near the top. And you'll see this thing that looks like a bulletin board with the word new and the icon for Schoology. You can click anywhere on this image and it will bring you to the Schoology page where you can log in. When you scroll down a little bit more, maybe some schools posted it under what they call quick links. There'll be a tiny little icon, possibly looking like a computer like mine, with the word Schoology underneath. If not, then the webmaster maybe decided to put it on the teacher page. So I did that as well, because you might be used to finding some of the links that we use all the time under teacher. So if you tap teachers, it will bring you to that list of, quick links that I thought were helpful. And one of the very first ones is Schoology. So let's tap that. You'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. If you are on a device where you've already logged into your school Gmail, it will remember that and it will give you the option of selecting it. However, if you're on a personal device or something, where you simply haven't logged in with your school account yet, simply tap use another account and enter your school Gmail and your Gmail password. It will automatically log you in once you tap your district Gmail address. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it will bring you to a page that looks something like this. So here we are back on my course dashboard. The good thing about Schoology is that it syncs seamlessly with PowerSchool. I did have to create my own courses, but yours should have automatically appeared. So if you teach 5 classes, even though this was your very first time signing into Schoology, you should see them all appear here. The course names are going to be exactly how they're named inside PowerSchool, so that the syncs can continuously happen. It will always be syncing with the current information inside PowerSchool. So in this view, it looks pretty similar to what we're used to inside Google Classroom, where we saw all of the courses that we teach. And it's where we're going to begin using, the actual learning management system where we post assignments and announcements to our students. But before we do that, just a couple of links to be aware of. Up in the upper right corner, you'll find a link with your name. And if you tap the drop-down arrow, there is a profile link, which allows you to add some information about yourself. So because I had used Schoology a bit last year to get the beginning training on this program, I, have already added a picture. You may not have that yet unless you've already been playing around. It's very simple, just like in Google or any of the other apps that we use. If you hover your mouse over the spot where a photo should be, there's going to be a button that says Edit Picture, and you can add whatever picture you like. You can add any updates to your personal information, biography of yourself or the day of your late day or, something like that. You can add any information, that you think would be relevant to your students and or their parents. Anytime you're working inside Schoology and you want to get back to that main page, you're going to tap our district logo in the upper left corner, and that'll bring you back to your course tile.